This is the legendary Keshe Mkonza, former Kaizer Chiefs striker Ubaba ka Dr. Mnandi. So quick fire questions. Firstly, your message of support to Bafana Bafana as they head over to America for a World Cup.
We wish them all the luck. Ukuthi basi representing indlela right. Sekuyisikhathi manje ukuthi Bafana ikwazi uya ku second round. Ikwazi ukuthi sicompete nalamanye ama country because we believe that Tina as South Africans we have what it takes to compete with the rest of the world.
All right, your favorite coach, Kaizer Chiefs?
My favorite coach was Mario Tuani.
Your favorite strike partner?
My favorite partner now, there were two. It was Shaka Ngobo and Waka Dikoye. They both late, unfortunately. May their soul rest in peace.
Your favorite Soweto derby Wagwaidlala?
It was 1980 league game. We beat Pirates 1-0. Waka scored the goal. I created that goal.
All right, fantastic. And also, choose a five-a-side team, 5 players and a goalkeeper. Wagwadlala nabo. Kuthiwa nidlale 5-a-side indoor.
My teammates or also from
No, your teammates.
Okay, Raidam Fukeng, Banks Tlodi, Raidam Fukeng, Banks Tlodi, Esther Sikwane, Teenage Ladla in Israel.
Goalkeeper?
Banks Tlodi.
Or Banks Tlodi. Obaba Bruce Ramohadi, ne?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Last question. If Bafana yayikadidlala ngalesikhathi senu angithi Bafana was banned due to ama sanctions ngesikhathi senu yaze yabuya ngo92. If Bafana yayidlala ngesikhathi senu, would they have won the World Cup or at least reached ama semi-finals?
Definitely, because by that time no foreign coach was coaching here in South Africa. My example, we played against Zimbabwe, then it was called Rhodesia.
Yes.
We beat them 7-0. Jomo Sono scored 4 goals, Estonia scored 3. Argentina came, Jomo Sono scored 5 goals, we beat them 5-0.
Yeah. All right, Sebonga Kulu legend.
Thank you.
Thank you.